we're now going to transition from the Spanish Baroque to the Flemish Baroque. Now we're staying with the same power of Spain, but we're going to be turning our attention to their territory in Northern Europe. If we were to look on a map today, as I said before, it would not exist, it would not be seen. However, it is portions of northern France and Belgium, and this area, we call it the Flemish Baroque because the area was called Flanders at the time. And during the 30 Years' War, it was the southern portion that remained under Spanish control and remained firmly aligned with the Catholic and Spanish doctrine. The Flemish are going to have a different and distinctive art style from the Dutch Baroque, which is the United Provinces of the Netherlands, and we'll be looking at them on Thursday's class. Here to help with our connection of the religious conflicts and our time. This map I showed you when I was introducing the Reformation and Counter-Reformation. So you see the portions that were in protest or Protestant in faith, and the pink are those aligned with the Pope and the Catholic faith. Now, one of your classmates had a very good question that some of you may also have, and I wanted to clarify our use of the terminology. So we speak about the Reformation and the Counter-Reformation as Protestants versus Catholics. And I very firmly have established protest calls for reform, reformation, Protestants. And Catholic, where is this coming from? The term Catholic is coming from the root word of hierarchies, and it is falling in line with the idea that the Pope is the highest in the hierarchy of the church, and beneath him are the cardinals, archbishops, bishops, and priests. So the Catholic and the Protestants are both following a Christian faith. It is just their beliefs and practices are different. They're both Christian, they both believe in Christ. However, their ways of practicing the faith will vary. So protest and Catholic. And then under Protestantism, we have the divisions more specifically like Lutheranism, Calvinism. We have the Baptists, right? Evangelical, Episcopalian, all of these others, but those are under the larger blanket term of Protestant faith, acts of protest against the Catholic faith. I hope that's helpful. Looking back at our map here, what we can see is that obviously the Spanish, pink, Catholic, and this region that they were fighting for, southern region here, Flanders, remains in the pink, remains aligned with the Catholic Church. When we are discussing the Flemish Baroque, we should think about this guy. Whew! Peter Paul Rubens, the leading Flemish Baroque painter. I've put it up there because textbooks, articles always say it, and you know what? They are not wrong. His paintings are perfect examples of the Flemish Baroque, and he establishes a style that will be continued and influential throughout the rest of our quarter together.